We have something in Netherlands that is exploding. It's called the spiritual explosion. It is called the Dutch love revolution. It is now time for the Dutch to wake up and create this global revolution starting in Eindhoven. The Dutch love revolution, where we learn to unite together under the banner of spiritual unity, under the banner of unconditional love. The fact that each and every one of us in this world, whether we like it or not, we're going to serve someone. So why not consciously choose first to learn to serve yourself, not your mind and your senses, but yourself, and then how to find a way to have a relationship with the divine and serve the divine in that spiritual relationship. On the 21st of March, I'm coming to Eindhoven to feel your heart and to connect with your heart and exchange this spiritual unconditional love called bhakti through chanting, kirtans, dancing, and sharing heart-to-heart spiritual vibrations. Kirtan is the ultimate cure for any pain that we may be holding in our heart or any pain that is lingering in the heart. Because kirtan is like the perfect medication that cleanses all the dust and debris accumulated for millions of lifetimes. And it enables you to experience what spiritual love is. So this is what Kirtan is. The Dutch must rise up and they must create this revolution that should take the world by storm. And its foundation is in the spiritual principle of bhakti, unconditional spiritual love, unhinged, uninterrupted, just pure love. And the fact that we get to connect with each other's heart and we sing and we dance with each and every one as though we're all dancing in unison as one entity, even though we're so different. This is where individuality diminishes and unity becomes the focal point. And that is why I want you to come on this 21st. And I'll be bringing with me my heart and the hearts of all my teachers who have spent decades and decades of their lives to guide me and to bring me on this path of spiritual love. And so when we get together, we're going to have what we call the Dutch love revolution. This is what spiritual love is all about. Because you are the most important, the most valuable, the most precious gift. And so therefore, if you just bring yourself to this event and join all the other beautiful souls, we will have the best Dutch love revolution party. First one of its kind. The revolution begins in Eindhoven.